dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The Independent National Electoral Commission says the damage caused by flood to the headquarters in Edo State has been fixed. Moving on after this, we have Governor Obaseki flag up feeding programs, saying that federal government is not helping Nigerians at all. But guys, before I go bring the matter, I would like to welcome you especially to my wonderful channel, Reality That SG, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining. So guys, let's proceed. Mahmood Yakubu, the INEC chairman, spoke on Monday during the commission's meeting with political parties at the INEC headquarters in Abuja. The meeting was held to discuss the Edo and Ondo governorship election scheduled for September 21st and November 16th, respectively. You guys can recall, in May, the INEC headquarters in Benin City, the Edo state capital, was flooded following heavy rainfall. So movable and immovable items were submerged, and some of the voters' enrollment machines configured for the continuous voters registration were affected. So speaking at the meeting on Monday, Yakubu Mahmood said that INEC has recovered from effects of the flooding on the facility, that the damage to the physical infrastructure has been fixed. The vehicles have been repaired, while other movable and immovable facilities have been serviced, and most of them has been gradually been replaced. So everything is intact now. So they are ready to carry out the governorship election in Edo State come September 21st, 2024. Yakubu Mahmood said that they have also delivered additional bimodal voters accreditation system machines to Edo State for the training of election duty personnel, as well as contingency for election day support. For this thing where they talk, may they keep to their promise. Because Edo people no one here said now, so they configure beavers. So in all they do, they should make sure they delivered an accurate result on that day to avoid chaos. Because now the INEC chairman don't come out and they tell us, say, before the end of the week that the electoral umpire will publish the final figures of new voters in Edo and Ondo State, as well as their distribution by gender, age, occupation, and disability. So that one, the timetable for the collection of uncollected permanent voters card from previous registration and new registrants from the latest continuous voters registration will be published. So right now, the commission is aware that, going by their timetable and schedule of activities, that the register of voters will be published not less than 30 days before the date fixed for the election. So they wish to reassure the chairmen of political parties that each party fielding candidate in the forthcoming governorship election in Edo State will receive the soft copy of the register on 20th August 2024, while that of Ondo State will take place 15th of October. So my people, the matter get a CB. May these people keep to their promises. You know, be like on that day, they collect bribe. They find who they want give the governorship seat free of charge. Because Edo people are watching. Right now, their eye don't clear. With the way things they go for this country, their eye don't open. Oh. So, let them keep to their promises to avoid violence in Edo State. So, guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, who kicked off the distribution in Edo South Senatorial District, inspected the warehouse at the Diocese of Benin Anglican Communion at a various street in Benin City, where the CAN chairman in the state, Apostle Ripono Omoike, gave the governor the breakdown of distribution to various senatorial districts of the state. So the summary of the rice to be distributed in phase 2 is as below. 1. Edo South will receive 21,875 bags. Edo Central will get 15,625, and Edo North will get 18,750. So the total number of rice to be distributed in the second phase will amount to 56,250 bags of rice. Now, Governor Obaseki they talk say the first phase of the program took place about 3 months ago to help alleviate the suffering in the land. So he thanked the Christian leaders for their commitment to make the program successful. He noted that the scheme has nothing to do with politics because it's being handled by the church itself. Now, Governor Godwin Obaseki, they urge the federal government to learn from Edo State example through the success recorded in the Christian feeding program, which he said has reached over 50,000 families. He said if things are done properly in this country, that the resources of the nation will go a long way to serve the people. Governor Godwin Obaseki said that he knows that there are challenges, but the current leadership in this country are not helping Nigerians at all. That look at how this program be run successfully and transparently. The federal government should come and learn from Edo State, because right now the organization of the Christian feeding program has been successful and it was able to reach about 50,000 families with food. So it's about transparency, honesty, and willingness to serve the people rather than private interests. So this is a drop in the ocean compared to what the federal government claimed they are doing. The world is currently challenged, but government need to come out clean and transparent for people to trust them and collaborate with them to come out of the problem facing us. Now, Obaseki is appealing to the people not to take action that will make our situation worse than it is. That in the next few days that they will be moving around talking to people and citizens on how to resolve this issue so that they will not put themselves into more problem. Because this program will be in 3 phases. They are through with the first phase, and this second phase is to correct some of the mistakes in the first phase. Trust has been built, so it is also to consolidate on what they have done in the first phase. The governor Godwin Obaseki said that the third phase of the program will enable his administration to enroll the people in the conditional cash transfer, skill program, support in agriculture, trade, microfinance, and many more. On the part of the CAN chairman, he thanked the governor Godwin Obaseki for his gesture and palliative to caution the effects the subsidy removal has had on the people of Edo State. He noted that the governor has embarked on a comprehensive palliative program to ease the burden and hardship in the land, and this Christian feeding program is part of that. So Governor Godwin Obaseki they talk, say if at all our leadership in this country are cooperating, say things for not be like this, things for not hard for Nigerians. So they should come to Edo State and learn what Edo State is doing. Because many people are dying of hunger this current administration has brought upon the people. The world is currently challenged. So the government needs to come out clean and transparent for the people to trust them and collaborate with them to come out of this problem facing us. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page, please do also to like and subscribe. And also share, but don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the channel latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your winners, stay safe guys.